Okay, so I just read about this tool called Crush that totally changes how we code in the terminal. Like, it seems to bring a whole new vibe.
Right? The idea that you can choose from a bunch of LLMs or even add your own is wild. Imagine integrating that seamlessly into your workflow.
Exactly. And the fact that it maintains context across different models, that's a game changer. No more starting over when you switch.
Yeah, it's like switching conversation partners while still keeping the same discussion thread going. That's just smart design.
And it's not just about flexibility. Crush is session-based, which means it saves your work state. That's going to save so much time.
Right? Imagine you're mid-project, and instead of losing your groove, you can just pick up where you left off. That's seamless.
Hold on. Does that mean you can run multiple projects at once and keep each one separate absolutely?
Yep, you could be multitasking without the usual overwhelm. I can picture developers juggling tasks like pros now.
And it uses language server protocols for extra context, just like we do with code completion in IDEs. It's like having a built-in assistant.
That's actually a smart connection. It's using the same power to enhance decision-making. It's almost like having a co-pilot.
Totally. Speaking of which, did you see that it also allows for custom configurations? You can tailor it exactly to your needs.
Oh, wow, right? It's pretty cool how you can set global or project-specific settings, just like customizing your environment.
And the package manager options? Super easy installs for different systems. Installing Crush feels like a breeze. Genius.
Oh, and the ability to switch between LSMs mid-session without losing context? That's just revolutionary for coding agility.
It feels like the flexibility we always wanted. And those custom provider options? Wow, the possibilities are endless.
Right? You can use different APIs and mix them depending on what you need. It's like a buffet of coding tools.
Exactly. You could experiment with different models without the hassle of changing the setup every time.
And imagine the community contributions. People just keep adding more models. It feels collaborative.
Yes, I love that idea. It also reduces risks since there are established guidelines for providers. More security, less guesswork.
For sure. And then there's logging. Having access to past logs is such a game changer for troubleshooting.
Right? You get a history. So if something breaks, diving into logs isn't a scavenger hunt anymore. That's so efficient.
And if you want more logging, just enable the debug mode. Like, it's so user-focused.
This is like coding made easier. But wait, did you catch the warning about productivity increases? Nerd sniped.
Haha, yes. Imagine being so engrossed in coding that you lose track of time. That's a beautiful struggle.
And it encourages social interaction, too. Joining Discord or Slack for support can make coding less lonely.
Absolutely. It's like creating this coding community where you can learn and share insights. Love that.
You know, I never thought about how collaboration could be enhanced by a tool like this. It's like a social network for coding.
So true. The way it taps into collective intelligence opens so many doors. This could change the future of software development.
And think about the implications for education. New programmers could learn on the fly, experimenting with different models.
Wow, that's illuminating. It completely alters how people approach learning tech skills. It's empowering.
It's like giving everyone access to a toolbox. I wonder how this will impact traditional coding paradigms.
Great point. This could shift the focus from learning syntax to solving problems creatively. That's a mental shift.
Exactly. So wait, what are best practices for integrating something like this into daily routines then?
Maybe starting small, like one project at a time while learning to navigate features. That sounds manageable.
Right, and embracing the community support could really make a difference too, like learning together.
For sure. It would be like having mentors just a message away, sharing tips in real time.
But honestly, this is giving me chills. The potential for collaboration and learning could redefine coding.
Yes, imagine the innovations that could stem from a tool like Crush. The future feels drastically different already.
So overall, Crush seems poised to impact not just how we code, but how we learn and collaborate too.
Absolutely. It's about making coding a shared, fluid experience, kind of like a living organism.
And if this is just the beginning, I can't wait to see where this all leads. What a fascinating time to be coding.
Totally. It really makes you wonder, what's next for coding with tools like Crush leading the charge?